I trained extremely hard this week and I will actually be treating myself for breakfast, and I'll show you guys where I'll be having it today. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Love, love. Let's go. Freebies. Yummy. Dis so baie kos. Ek het 'n snytjie sourdough bread, 'n breinbroodjie, eier, bietjie chutney. Tomato, mushrooms, bacon, sausage, and then cheese. These are my freebies. I usually never have chippies, so this is so delicious for me. Wanneer die broodjie bereid. So gewoonlik sou ek al my kos opgeëet het. Baie dankbaar vir die kos wat ek het. Ek is so dankbaar dat ek besef en mindful is dat ek my eating habits verander. Dit was so lekker. Defeated. Completely defeated. Bye.